everybody? Welcome back to the channel. What's good? So I haven't done a Where Did My Money Go in a couple of months. I am behind on it and I'm kind of sad, y'all. I can't find my one that I last did. And y'all know I kind of went in order, so yeah, but I want to say the last one was bad. I think I got fussed at really well. So we're gonna see what I did. I don't have a lot of spending I did, but we're gonna get right into it. And also, if you're new to my channel, the only thing I like to do here, I really like to be accountable for my frivolosity. Okay, I like to own up to my frivolosity. Watch me do less of it, because life is what it is. We're gonna have a little bit, but I like to just keep track of how much I spend on fast food throughout the month. Okay, so let's get started with January. So I had, oh, this is the wrong sheet, y'all, but yeah, that's okay. It don't matter. It don't matter. So we did Taco Bell, Taco Hell. Taco Bell was $13.42. We had some Coney Island. That was $5.81. We had some White Castle. $4.96. We had Starbucks. Goddamn you, Starbucks. Chai, $18.07. That probably was 2 drinks. Big B, $7.09. Captain J's, $15.51. Tim Hortons. Hey Tim. Hey boo. $4.94. We got Mickey's. And I needed to do it in the red pen of truth, because honey, but I'm gonna find a red pen and do my totals. Okay, $8.47. We had Wendy's and it was $7.20, and then I had Tim Hortons again and it was $2.45. Okay, so that is for January and February. So I did really good to have only this for those 2 months. If y'all been following me, y'all know. Y'all know. So we'll set that to the side. I'm mad I did it on the wrong sheet. Oh good, I found the extra sheet so I kind of can look alike. This is for March. I know I had wrote one out for March, but I just feel away that the sheets didn't match. Do y'all like y'all sheets not matching? It bothers me. Something terrible. I had some Thai food. And I ain't mad about this Thai food. It was so good. I don't feel bad about it. Come on here, sleeve. It's been a day, y'all. It's been an effing day. I know y'all heard about the Derrick Jackson mess. I know y'all have. Oh, goodness of me. I did some videos on my main channel about it. I'm actually in the process of editing and getting ready to upload another video about it, because I have so much more commentary. Grand Aztec, this was some Mexican food. This is Burger King. $8.44. Grand Tikka is Tikka, whatever the hell. We're gonna just scribble that on there, but it was $24.38. This actually, I'm not gonna use that. This was my daughter. I gotta remember, she bought 1 or 2 things this month, and they were for rather large amounts. That I remember, that's not me. But I ate some of it, but that went out of my money. Five Guys trash. I don't know why they all the fucking hype. I hate they soft ass French fries. $15.13. That was the one thing people be talking about. Five Guys. Ugh, I don't like it. $2.12. White Castles. I made it like it was the time. 47. This was my daughter's too. It was $32.45. I'm gonna put my daughter right there. My Mediterranean food. Oh, that is my weakness, okay? And I love it. And they make a bomb-ass smoothie, okay? Tim Hortons Hoas. 13.37. McDonald's. 16.27. Dairy Queen. You bitch. Bless your heart, though. You came through all. $4.24. Crispy chicken. Fuck you. I was not pleased. Won't be back. My kids like it though. Popeyes. Panera. If y'all got a Panera bread near y'all, they still cut oatmeal with the cinnamon, pecans, and strawberries. The bomb to me, okay? That was $5.08. And then Big B Coffee. Oh, I made it right to the end. Okay. Big B Coffee was $5.93. Okay. So we're going to get these totaled up. I'm going to find my red pen of truth. And we're going to see what I did. And then when I do this again for the next month, I will go off the totals to see the decrease and the uptick. But we're going to bring it on down. Bring it on down. All right, y'all. Give me a second. I will be right back. We are back. So the total for January and February came to $87.92. That was all I spent on food. This might be the lowest I've ever spent since I've been this might be the lowest. I really wish I could find my before, because I would like to know what I did before, and I just don't feel like recounting those other sheets up. So we just going for it, okay? And the other one, this one was $195.98, but I had to subtract my daughter's 2 items, so that actually made it $139.15. So that is the actual total. I'm just going to circle these just to remind me. Really, my pen want to die? I mean, this is old as hell. I've had this pen several years. I guess I quit tripping. So that's what I spent this month. These are low considering I usually be consistent with 2. I'm going on memory, and I know I'd be consistent with $200. So coming down, I'm not mad at the come down. I really would like to stay under $100 for fast food. I didn't include, like, if I went to Dollar Tree and got some knickknacks, or if I went bowling, which I haven't. I mean, I haven't done anything. I really haven't had I haven't wanted to really do anything, so I've been at home. But I have spent money on ordering movies, like if it's something to pay on Prime or AMC or something like that. So I probably will put that in. I did not just y'all. I'm so sorry. Let me drink some coffee. Okay. So hopefully you guys are doing amazing. I am much better. I don't have anything to report that's going on, except just trying to hold on like everybody else, trying to make it like everybody else, and just go forward and do what we need to do. If you're new to my channel, hit the subscribe button. It'll be somewhere around here. I don't know where this is pointing. Here. If you're an OG, you've been around for the long haul, thank you, and I appreciate you for always coming by and checking out my videos. Again, I'm Kiva. Welcome to the channel. And in the description box, you'll see the link to my main channel if you want to check out some of my content over there. There are links to different gig jobs I do and things of that nature. And that's it. You guys take care. Thanks for stopping by. Bye.